Do not use Acquid for e-commerce store before watching this video. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be giving you an honest review on Acquid, and we'll figure out if this is the right choice for your online business or not. I will go through different features and tools that we should keep in mind, or different tricks and different options that we get on Acquid that are in reality good or not. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is, of course, go to your Acquid store, open it up, your dashboard, and once you open it up, then you will get right here. First, you will open up your Acquid store, and this is my dashboard here. Signing up for Acquid is actually easy, and you can do you can simply create an account. Now we have the dashboard right here, and we also get our own website with Acquid. So when we go to the website, keep in mind that the domain that you will be getting with Acquid is going to be to Acquid. You will not get your own domain if you're thinking that it will give you your own website domain for free. So that's not the case. You will be getting an Acquid website, and you can simply create a website here. Second of all, when we go to the dashboard right here, we have our reports, and we have all the setup done, so you can just go to your other options. First of all, we have my sales. So on Acquid, what happens is you can simply go ahead and go to my sales, and you will be able to check all of your sales that you have done on Acquid and through your Acquid store. First of all, we need to connect our store to Acquid. So on Acquid, let me first show you the dashboard really quickly, so you will have an idea that once you sign up, what is waiting for you. So we have dashboard, my sales, then we have catalog, marketing, reports, overview, website, and then in our sales channel, we can add our Facebook, Instagram, our own website, and then configuration has design, payment, and shipping and pickup. So settings and app, of course. Now, Acquid may seem like a really good option for you guys because it's completely free, and you'll be thinking that, okay, it's a good platform. But when it comes to Acquid, Acquid is good for a beginner. If we say that what Acquid is good for, it's good for a beginner. But if you are already selling a lot of different products, and let's say that you ship 50 products a week, or you are shipping 50 products a day, then Acquid will not actually catch up with your pace because it's for beginners, and it does not have that good working speed for a business which is quite large. That is why we do not prefer Acquid as a person who's selling and who has their own business. But as a complete beginner, it might help you if you want to create your first store, and if you want to sell your first items, you can use Acquid for that. Similarly, if we go to the pricing plan here, you can see this is the pricing plan for Acquid, and it is completely free. That is actually a thing here that a lot of people say that it's good, it is for completely free, and we can launch our own business and online store for free. What more do you want? But similarly, there are other plans as well, such as we have Adventure, Business, and Unlimited. Now, if you're using the free plan, then of course you will be getting limited features. And then if you go to the unlimited one, then you will actually get the right features. For example, automation, and you will be able to actually run a successful dropshipping business online, or any kind of business online. So that is actually a thing on Acquid, that you will have to buy the plan eventually. And if you're thinking that you can do everything for free, well, you cannot. Even if we compare them really quickly, you cannot add your Facebook shop, Instagram store, or any marketplace in the free version. So why we're using it? Because we cannot even add our marketplace. So you will get all of these options in the unlimited plan, like the marketplaces. You cannot connect your Shopify until you buy the unlimited plan. You cannot connect your Wix until you buy the unlimited plan. So it's not going to be completely free. Similarly, if we talk about the digital goods, you cannot sell digital goods on Acquid for free. You will have to buy the unlimited plan. Then we do have the add to store website option, free instant site. Okay, when it comes to gift cards and coupons, live chat, inventory management, abandoned cart emails, product filters, not available for free. you will have to buy the unlimited plan. And the unlimited plan is going to be around about $60 per month, and you're not getting any gift cards, you're not getting discounts, you're not getting any kind of, live chat as well. So that is why we kind of like not prefer the free plan on Acquid, and you will have to buy the unlimited one. And if you're going to pay, then why would you pay for a platform that does not have a lot of different features and that is not capable for a large business? So we prefer to move on to the platforms with the same pricing plan, and we create a store on other platforms, and we kind of like prefer them over Acquid. So that is one of the things that you need to keep in mind before you sign up for Acquid. Moving on, one of the things that really bother me is the customer support. It's not good on Acquid. The live chat is not available, 24/7 support is not available. Even the these options are available in the unlimited plan. And you can see right here, when it comes to support, I am not getting free customization, priority support, phone or chat with the free version. So that's actually a big no for me when it comes to an online store, because you need to contact them again and again if something happens, and we're always looking for customer support and we need to live chat. So if my store is not giving me that, if my platform is not giving me that, then I do not prefer to use it. And you should also keep in mind that you will not be getting any kind of customer support with Acquid free version. You can of course contact them and get help from the automatic help, but you will not be getting any kind of live chat or calls. Moving on, if we talk about the platforms, okay, so we do have WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Joomla, Adobe, Blogger, Tumblr, and more. So when it comes to the platforms, the simple platforms, not the marketplaces such as Shopify or others. So if we talk about the simple platforms such as Wix website, Squarespace website, Weebly website, so you can connect a website. That's actually a good thing, I must say. That's okay. We can connect them with all of the plans, so that's actually good. Then if we talk about the integrations, again, if we go to the marketplaces, and if I talk about the eBay integration, well, eBay integration is not available in Acquid for free, and you will eventually have to go to another platform to do so. Again, in the same shallow, you can see right here, I do have Instagram here, Facebook, TikTok, this can connect, but I cannot connect because I haven't bought a plan and I will have to upgrade. Let's move on to some of the settings and design right here. So let's go to design and let me show you that what we can do with our store. So with store, we have image size that we can go for large, medium, and small. Image aspect ratio, product card details layout. When we list a product on Acquid, we add a product card frame, product name, product price, product SKU, buy button, main product image, and do not show. Okay, so there's no zoom in button like when we go and we can actually zoom in and add variety of products. Similarly, we have category name position, displayed category name, display category name below the image. Okay, so these are the different name position that we can go for. Then we have a product page layout. So in layout, you can see we have these layouts. We have 2 columns, product description, 2-column product description in below the image, 3 columns. This is how your product will look on Acquid, and if you like the view of it, you can just go ahead and select this one. But if you want to customize it more, then I'm afraid you will not be able to do so. They're not that good of a templates available for us to go for, and we cannot go for like very aesthetically pleasing templates on Acquid. Similarly, we have the payment method right here. In payment method, we have different options. Okay, let's see what payment options are available. So we have cash on delivery, bank transfer, invoice, purchase order, and checks, credit card, and bank. Okay, I'm looking for PayPal. Do we have it? We have pay by cash. Okay, so these are the different payment methods here, and you can check them out. Okay, that's good that we have cash on delivery and we have like Visa and MasterCard available. Good. So as I told you, it's good for a very small business, and if you're a complete beginner, then you can use Acquid. It's a good platform, not that bad. And I just wanted to show you some of the things that you should keep in mind before signing up. And And if you want Acquid to be your partner, your selling partner, then you need to keep these things in mind and keep in mind what kind of business you are running and what are your needs. And then you can of course go ahead and check out acquid.com. You can create your own website as well. You can explore it yourself, check out if it actually meets your business needs or not. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know why you should not use Acquid. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.